Today's hike brings us back to good old Monadnock. Yep, we will be attempting to hike 3,165-foot Monadnock or Mount Monadnock. The two names are interchangeable. Located in southern New Hampshire in the Jaffrey-Dublin area. We'll be taking the White Dot Trail all the way to the top and probably the White Cross Trail back down part of the way. And this will also, if successful, will be my first winter climb up this mountain. Kicking myself in the teeth for not having done it sooner. Heck, it feels like March, April. Melting, not a lot of snow. I feel like I'm cheating for this being a winter climb. Oh well, whatever. Anyway, off we go. Alright, we've reached the junction with the White Cross Trail. Going this way. We want to stay on the White Dot Trail all the way to the top. Next checkpoint is the Cascade Link Trail, where I also believe that Falcon Spring is. In summer, you can get water from there, and I believe it is safe to drink. Awesome. Anyway, onward ho we go. Alright, this is the Falcon Spring I mentioned earlier. Pretty neat, it just trickles down and down off the mountainside. Might probably flows into a bigger body of water. It's, on another note, it's so weird. I've hiked probably a little over a half mile, not sure, and I have not seen anyone else. Very, very infrequently does that happen on Monadnock and the White Dot Trail in particular. But just because of the nature of this trail, how well known and hiked it is, I'll probably be able to see at least one person. Still, pretty nice. Anyway, the Cascade Link is out that way, and I'll meet you over there. Alright, here's the junction with Cascade Link to these side trails. Goes off this way and is marked with yellow blazes. Yellow dots to be specific. You can get to the Pompelli Trail from various points along this route. But now the steep stuff, aka the fun stuff, is going to begin. Oh no, it wasn't going to be flat for long. Anyway, if I see something interesting, I'll show it to you. Here comes the steep stuff. But while it's not at all the steepest I've ever hiked, it's a pretty decent grind. If anything, it'll keep me in shape for the summer, because I got some hefty hiking goals ahead of me. Oh yeah. Up we go to the summit of Monadnock. Alright, another steep scrambly part, but this one looks very familiar from the last time I climbed Mount Monadnock via this trail, which was 2 years ago. Not the most scenic of trails, but still a very nice route nonetheless. Alright, I remember this section, kinda. I got a little bit of a reprieve as far as uphill goes, then we're gonna make a steep climb to the first real good viewpoint out toward the Wappak Range. Alright, we're on top of Mount Monadnock, elevation 3,165 feet in the Monadnock region, obviously in southwestern New Hampshire. Fairly cold, really windy. Still overcast, but views pretty much to die for. Not bad for my first winter ascent of the mountain, I'd say. Nice little heaven effect out there. Mount Wachusett, looking out toward the Wappak Range. And all that in Vermont. Alright. Alright, put my camera away. Hand's getting cold. Alright, headed back down the White Dot Trail because I heard the White Cross Trail is like a glacier boulder field. So, only section I think we really have to be concerned about is that chute-like scramble. And I met a team. Bobby, Hugo, and Steve. Oh. Yep. First time up Monadnock in winter yet. That's some bragging rights right there. Anyway, down we go. Back to the Alright, this spot familiar? Yep, we're back at the Cascade Link Junction. Not much longer to go now. Assuming nothing interesting happens, I'll meet you back at the trailhead. Back at the trailhead off Pool Road in Jaffrey. You guys did it. You did it. Their first climb of Mount Monadnock, and both of ours in the winter. Yeah, wasn't really easy walking. I'd say light traction is the way to go, but crampons would not be overkill. Pretty windy at the top, but good views, overcast, but that didn't disrupt what was visible. Doesn't it? Round trip distance was 4 miles, I'd say 1,800 feet of gain. So, from Hugo, Bobby, and Steve, and me, see you on my next adventure.